Okay, go.
Here's my pet snake. It's very nice. Do you want to pet him?
Ah!
It doesn't bite.
Ow!
It didn't bite.
Where's his head? There it is.
Do not.
No hitting.
It doesn't bite.
Is it nice to hit? Snake, is it nice to hit?
Now touch him. His snake. See, his tongue is now out. This is join a snake pet.